Today I would like to review for you this Gravity Salt and Pepper Mill Set with adjustable coarseness, automatic pepper and salt grinder. Off the top, you can see kind of what it looks like there. It does take batteries, as you see the batteries right there, 6 AAA batteries, I believe is what it takes. And then when you want to add the salt and pepper, you twist this bottom section. When you twist the bottom section, you keep turning, it will lift off, and then you see it has a very wide opening where you can add your preferred salt and pepper. It is gravity. So all you have to do is turn it over. You can adjust the coarseness that you like your salt and pepper by turning this knob located right inside here. If you want it a little finer, then you turn it one way. And if you like it a little more coarse, then you turn it the other way. Right there. If you did notice, as you turn it over, it does have a blue LED light that starts when you turn it over. And that way you can see how much pepper. It is a little bit noisy. So as you can hear, when you do turn it over and it starts to grind, it is not a quiet machine. I'll do it one more time just so you can kind of listen. Hear it? And I really do think that you would really enjoy